Good day, sir. My name is Marvin Brazal from VSACE3C. Now, I'll be performing the extend button using a single acting cylinder with 3-2-way valve spring return. Now, I'll put the source, our ground, our push button, push button, then the solenoid, our single acting cylinder, the compressed air, and the 3-2-way valve. Now this circuit is simple, so we only need the extend button. So if we click this push button, our cylinder will extend. Now we will connect this here and here. Now our compressed air connected to the 3-2-way valve, then connected the terminator, then connected to our piston. So here in our 3-2-way valve, we need some electrical conductor, then a spring. So it will bounce back if our control switch is released. So now we will simulate it. As we can see, this is the compressed air, and here there is no air coming through the piston. So if we click the button, we need to label our solenoid and the contactor. So this will be A1 and A1. Now, as we click our push button, it will activate the piston. And then if we release it, the pistons goes back since we have this spring. If we don't have the spring, it will not go back like this. See? So we need the spring in order for it to bounce back. Next is the extend and retract button using a single acting cylinder. Also the 3-2-way valve spring return. So we will just copy this. And now in this extend and retract, we need some like a normally open switch, a make switch here, a relay, and another push button for the retract function. I'll just label this extend 1. This is extend 2 and retract 2. Now we will connect the relay here, and this solenoid must be connected in a normally closed pattern. So connect this. This will act as a stop button. So if we put it here, then the contactor is connected here by passing the start button, and the relay connected here. Now, as you can see, we will simulate it. Another label. I'll put other label. This is B1 and B. Now, if we click this extend, this acts like a start button. So if we click this, the normally close. Oh, I forgot to label the relay and the make switch. Okay. Okay. Now this two is 1. Okay. So if we start the circuit, the connection from here will activate the K, the our relay. So closing this, normally open switch. So our piston will work as is, and it will not bounce back since we have a complete path of the circuit. So the retract will just cut off the connection, making it retract the piston. So it will go back here and serves like a stop button. Okay, start, extend, retract. Next is the extend button of double acting cylinder. So we will just replace this using our double acting cylinder. Now in double acting cylinder, we have two openings here that the air can come. Then we will replace the wave valve as 5-2 wave valve. Then connect the compressed air here, then the terminator in both sides, and connect it at the two ends. Now we will just connect the circuit. This is, we have a contactor here labeled as C1, then the solenoid as C1, and this schematic, it will just act as an extend button. Now we'll just simulate this. As we can see, the compressed air goes through here, the second opening. Then as we extend it, it doesn't go back since we activate the valve, putting some air here, some pressure. Then it's a part that we can retract this. So we will go through our next objective. So we will just copy this. Here is the extend and retract button using double acting cylinder with 5-2 wave valve. We will just adding some features, so the retract button will be used. I'll just connect it in parallel here, the retract button, retract, and we'll just copy this. Put some solenoid. Here and here. Then we label it as D1 and this is D2. Connected here also. Then here I will be placing some contactor also in the right side. So this is D1 controlling this, and the D2 controlling the other one. So one here and label at D2. Now we have as we simulate it, we have a extend and retract. So initially we have a compressed air here at the right opening. Then as we extend it, the piston will go to the right, since this will be pressurized, then we need to retract it, so the compressed air will go through here, then push the piston back. Extend and retract. That's also.